Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to share how to tame our busy mind. In some old saying, they use the monkey mind as a metaphor of our untamed mind. Our mind is always busy searching for something, like a monkey always jumping around, seeking a new objective. So, if our mind like a monkey, our untrained mind is like a monkey mind, how can we calm down a monkey? Simply give the monkey a banana or give monkey a fruit. Give something to the monkey. Our mind works the same like this. In order to tame our monkey mind, we need to give something to our mind, our untrained mind, our busy monkey mind. How? For instance, when I'm talking to you, I focus on my mind, on every word, every speech I express to you. So, I give my monkey mind something to busy with. For instance, if you want to tame your monkey mind, you can actually use a very easy method to calm your mind. How? You can just focus on your breath. Inhale. Your monkey mind will focus on your inhale, the tool of when we breathing in. And when we breathing out, exhale. So, your monkey mind actually grabs something. It's the breathing. So that's why the meditation skill, the breathing, is something, the most fundamental technique we can tame our mind. So, whenever the monkey mind come back to us, we just need to be aware of our breath. Inhale, exhale. So the monkey mind has a target. It's just like a monkey grab the banana. Our monkey mind can grab our breath. Follow the frequency of breathing in. Inhale. Breathing out. Exhale. Our mind already have settlement, have a target, have an objective. You can try this most simple meditation technique to tame our monkey mind, breathing technique. Most common people agree breathing is the most easy way to tame our monkey mind. So I wish you enjoy my short sharing of how to tame and train our monkey mind. Best use our breathing technique. Once you can use and get used to this technique, you will find you are able to manage your mind much better than before. And I hope you enjoy my short sharing today, and I hope next time you will join me again. Thank you.